Here is the manufacturing of the new Iristek car wrap film, Super Satin Chrome. Now showing it the video is the first step. Rewinding inspection before gluing. Actually, on surface of raw films, there are various defects, such as dents, wrinkles, stripes, scratches, dirties. Then, why you can't find so many defects when you are wrapping Iristek film? That's because we do our best to cut out the obvious defects during manufacturing. This would cause a lot wasted to raw films. However, Iristek insists, only pursuing perfection can truly delight customers. As for some others car wrap film, have they got such strict quality inspection? Why they have very low price? My dear, do you get it? In the next video, you shall see the sledding inspection of Iristek car wrap film.